trunk, gave a cheerful cheer, and ran in circles so full of cheer. He splashed in the water, kicked up some mud, then rolled on the ground with a big soft thud. His mommy stood close, so strong and near, watching her baby play without fear. Oh, baby elephant, so tiny and sweet, with wrinkly little ears and the cutest feet. He wiggled his trunk, gave a cheerful cheer, and ran in circles so full of cheer. We waved and smiled, happy as could be, watching the